Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not working after update. Firstly, you should check stories on your device. For that, head over to the settings panel on your device. Now in the settings panel, tap on about phone and then tap on storage. Now if you have enough storage to run Instagram, then you must head over to the Google Chrome on your device and there search for down detector. Now scroll and search for Instagram. Once you found it, tap on it and there you can see user reports indicate no current problem at Instagram, which means there's no problem in Instagram. After that, head over to the next method and the last method, which is to remove your app from the device and reinstall the app. Now to do so, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove option. Once you remove, head over to the Play Store and then search for Instagram and then tap on install button to download and install the app. Once you install the app, you may be able to fix the problem and open up the app. If this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today and I will see you in my next video.